Hey everyone, welcome to the video. So today we are going to.
Oh, we're revealing it.
Yeah! She just switched off her brain like she's gonna do the intro. I'm just gonna chill down here.
Okay, come on, start again. 3, 2, 1, retake.
We are going to
Japan! So, I don't know why we hid it for a long time. So, like, there's something about it.
That is Japan. It's like on everyone's bucket list. Do you know the washrooms there? Mom, yeah, she knows. Mom has been watching tutorials to use
Yeah,
the
apparently there's
washroom.
music around that. Like,
Yeah, and there are buttons in Japanese for each thing. So we keep sending these instructions in the family group.
yeah, like this is this, that is that. I'm just excited for the food there. Like, the food, and I don't know, I mean, the place is also good, but I'm mostly a food person, so I would want to eat everything I get over there.
And there are everything. The convenience store too.
Yeah, a lot of 7-Eleven stores. I'm coming for you.
But yeah, we're going to Japan and we're going to Japan. I literally can't believe
Did you just say Qatar?
it's Japan.
Paan banaras wana na na na. Say.
Anyways, yeah, so we're going to Japan. I literally can't believe it. I have
We're
heard,
going on 22nd night, 12:30 flight.
and we'll be packing a little early because there's a lot of things coming up.
Because she has work, and guess what? I got holidays because my exams got over. So I have 2 months. Like, not expected from Christ, but like.
Yeah,
But yeah.
I remember that. She studied in the same college. And
Maybe she just had a bit of a memory loss. We didn't take the same course.
Yeah, we did. Like, she took it together and I took it separately, but whatever. Yeah, so.
So yeah, she has work, so she has to pack early.
Not
but
just
then I
that.
have time.
I have
so I
one
can
of my
pack.
friends coming from abroad to meet us, and then there is a wedding here to attend, and I have work, and yeah, and we were in Japan and directly coming back, and we might go on a trip after that. But within India, not abroad. She doesn't know. But yeah,
I'm part of the family. Where are we going?
we'll review the next video.
I'm gonna get to know right after I click the stop button because I'm gonna whack the shit out of her if she doesn't.
Don't use bad words. I don't use that word.
I mean, now you know.
Just because people use that word.
Oh my god, Jesus.
Don't use that word. Don't use that word.
Look at her trying to act so elegant in class and that. Don't use that word.
I never use that word.
Oh, she has by mistakenly told many bad words. Oh.
No,
You haven't?
once before one time you could just stop on that.
Not once, twice or thrice.
Twice or thrice.
Yeah, you have. You have. Before. Like in my entire span of 18 years of my life.
Yeah, exactly. That's a less.
Yeah, so this is like the second time you've heard me say something.
Oh, there's stalls outside, guys. In our apartment, they do the.
Yeah, I didn't know.
There's like a bouncy thing. There's a trampoline. There's stalls there. Can you see? What's special today, though? Okay, so you guys do Japanese fashion, and we're trying to match it in some way or the other. For the first few days, we're gonna get a kimono, and I'm gonna be wearing it most of the time because they won't be. I'm like, where else can I wear it?
At home. Anyways, it's a 7-day trip thing, and we're leaving on 22nd at 12:30 is the flight, and the journey is gonna take 6 hours. 12 hours. 12 hours in total with a 2.5 hour stopover. So it's gonna be 5.5 hours from here to Malaysia, and then from there it's gonna be 6.5 hours.
Yeah.
So there's a stopover for 2.5 hours. I don't know what we're gonna do there, but like time is gonna fly by. So yeah.
We're going to the Malaysian Airlines.
Yeah. And first day we're going, and the first day we reached by like 6:30 around that time, so it's like night. So there's nothing we're doing that day, so maybe we all are planning to just go and look around the place where we're gonna stay, because like we still have a lot of time.
Now, like we're gonna show you the different outfits and also talk along with it, so you guys can enjoy that. So
basically everything you need to take to Japan. These are the must. How many things? Must 10 things you must take to Japan.
But what are they?
I don't know. I'm going to get the people to watch our video.
Okay, but what did consider?
Okay, wait.
Good one though.
Okay, like
You can take that.
Guys, just click on the video. Is it that hard?
Oh, video.
My bad. Wait. These are the things you have to take. These are the things that you gotta pack if you need a smooth and safe trip to Japan.
So first up, this is the most Japanese.
I don't think they can see it like the turnaround.
Yeah, I know. What?
Turn the camera around so that they can see it.
No, why? It's not going to be different. It's going to be the exact same ratio.
Oh, so that's it. You're not showing the bag.
I will. Okay, yeah. Wait. Sorry about that. So, this is packing all luggage. So, this is not the one, but we'll just keep it in the thanks. Yeah, this a bag very similar to this, but blue in color. Thomas could gift this to us.
Yes.
Because we travel with them a lot of times.
Like, one day I'm just at home, okay, and then dad comes and he calls me, he was down and he's like, come here and take a package. I'm like, what is it? Is it that big that I gotta come down? He's like, come down. And then I just take
Oh,
it.
that happened?
Yeah, and then I went down and then I went to take it. And then I see a huge box on the road and my dad just parked his scooter there and he's like, take it. I'm like, what is this? Like from Thomas Cook? And I'm like, what? He's like, it's a suitcase from Thomas Cook. And I'm like, huh? And then I opened it and it was actually a suitcase from Thomas Cook. And I'm taking that. So,
Yeah, I get the old one. But that's alright.
that's because there's more storage there. I'm being nice. Because she needs a lot of space. God knows why she needs. She said she's gonna change 2 outfits a day. Like,
Yeah, I did that in Australia.
we just need 7 outfits.
14. We need 14 outfits.
7 days.
2 outfits a day. Okay, for her 14. Yeah. So since we have traveled with them for quite a bit, that's why they decided to get it. In fact, a lot. It's like US, Europe, Australia, Japan. That's it, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, those. But that's a lot.
Is this too bad or is it correct? It's fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. So this is the first most Japanese outfit I have with me.
We're dead. Onnolia!
That's in the room in 3, 2, 1.
Nah. Go back. I can't see the dress. Wait. Yeah.
It's like a high collar one. It's very modest, very
Yeah.
nice.
Like the first thing my impression about this dress was Japan.
Yeah, and look, it even has like a cut here. Can you see it?
It's not a cut. It's
Not
like
a
a
cut.
fold. There's no
Yeah,
cuts
yeah,
in
yeah,
this.
yeah.
We are. No, yeah.
We are.
No, elegant, modern, nice.
Yeah,
But then you
modern.
can wear whatever you want. Express yourself.
But
Go
modest
queen.
style. But like modest is our style.
Yeah.
Also because we're not allowed to wear anything else.
Yeah. And I don't think I would wear that too. I don't know.
So I would pack this.
You're nasty. What am I, a butler?
Sure, kind of. Oh, what's the password?
Bro, it's not locked. Stop pretending. You know you don't have to be that extra. Just keep it on the bed and open it and just throw it in.
I want to do it on camera.
She's just trying to make it look hard, like she's never opened a suitcase. Bro, they know
Outfit
how
number
a
one.
suitcase looks.
Outfit number 1. That's not how you pack the outfit. So the first essential thing you need in Japan is a translator. Google Translate on your phone, you're good. 2.
Also, I mean, I think you have to download it because if you guys don't buy the foreign network SIM, whatever,
Yeah.
then you won't be able to use it.
2, you need cash. Not everywhere you have these online payments, and you are a tourist. So in the end, things are uncertain. So
I mean,
need
if you don't live in India, then I think you probably use cash. And also, you need these. Where is that thing that your soap paper when you use it?
Yeah.
You'll need those a lot. To like, if you're a hygiene freak, it's good to have them. You know those transparent, thin paper type soap. You get it? You see a lot of Instagram, right? Don't you see it? TikTok, whatever.
She could have been influencer without me. So, yeah, this is the one. This is Finform soap strips. We got this from the Shishi Ravi Shankar
Soap
Art Center
strips.
design.
Was it that hard?
It was literally like 5 rupees for 10 soap strips. That's really cheap. So yeah, it's like strips.
It's good to carry them around.
Yeah, it dissolves in the water, and it's not like Japan is not clean, but we just carry.
They're
it.
super clean. When you go there, you get to know you're nasty.
4, you need a screenshot of their toilet buttons, which is translated in English and what they mean, or else you're
Yeah.
yeah.
Because like you don't know what is what, because I got know that there's a button for music and you can increase the volume. Imagine you're just doing your business and you click music and you're like, oh no, and then you start increasing the music. Like,
It's because they don't want them to be heard. They're
Yeah.
very particular about that. 4, if you have breeches, please carry these. Here are wax strips. Most of you won't have it, so that doesn't matter. 5. I have taken it at Australia. When we went to Australia, we felt sick a lot. I don't know what got into us. It could be anything from any surfaces or beds or door handles. We were changing hotels a lot and transiting to airports a lot. Like we went on 10 planes in that trip. So I'm carrying this six
Athram
pounds.
and not 10.
Yeah, we did. See, 2 in the beginning. We had a
Okay.
layover, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then inside
4,
one-
5.
Huh, 6, 7. While coming back, 1, right? Okay, so 8. Not a big difference. But anyways, yeah. So we're carrying this dinner straight on any surface we see.
Yeah.
Next one, if you are going to a cold place and if you have cold problems, please carry things which are related to your nasal issues. I'll show you.
Yeah,
tell
because
what happened.
yeah, so the time we were in Australia, so apparently something happened. She had something cold, I guess, I don't know something, and her nose was like filled with mucus. So basically, her nose, throat, something like that was completely filled with mucus, and she couldn't breathe. Like she couldn't breathe. She went inside her room and then she said, "I can't breathe. I'm gonna." I can't even say the word, I guess. So
These are my medical stuff.
that's her stuff. She has to do all this just to breathe. So like,
So this is the
can't relate. So that's why she has that thing, you know, you put it in your nose and you just inhale it.
Yeah.
Inhale it, that one.
This is a medicine that you have to drink and pour into it. And this is the nebulizer. We are sitting. You can see it here. You click a button and you can put it.
Because it's way better to be safe than to actually spend a lot of amount in the hospitals there because the amount is a lot. Or if you guys,
This from Australia. It's not like it was $100. It worked 2 times. That's it.
exactly, so
This
it's
is the one
better.
from India. It works way better. 1,000 rupees. How many dollars is that? 1,000 divided by
You do the math, guys. Anyways, it's cheaper in India. So it's better to take something from here and take
$20.
Jesus.
$20, $100.
So it's better to take something from here. And it's also good if you want to have, if you have enough money and you're rich enough, you can take an insurance too. Because if something unexpected happen over there, you don't want to spend a lot of money there. So it's better to have one.
Or travel with an agency, they will take care of all that. That's the rest taken care of. Here's one more nasal spray, and yeah, this is the thing. I'm not sure what this is called, but you can research on this. When you have like mucus in your lungs, if it blows through this, there's a heavy ball, and there's a correct angle. You have to keep it in. And you'll feel a movement or a deviation in your lungs where the mucus will break off. I'm hoping this will help you. This is really expensive, like 1,000 rupees. Yeah. Hope it's good. So I'm going all pack, guys. I want to enjoy this trip.
Yeah. And second most important thing, or how much that was most important thing?
8.
Eighth most important thing, if you are with your sibling, don't fight. Trust me, you don't have the time and energy for that in the trip. In Australia, I got to know a lot, like a lot of energy, a lot of time. If we would have not wasted in our fights, can you deny? Can you deny it?
That's because you did stuff.
Oh yeah, obviously it's always the blame games. Let's not go there. So whoever did the fight, whoever just talk it out, just finish it off quickly.
Yeah.
Because you're on a trip. Come on, you can't waste your time. You can even do that at home. If you want, just write down what you're angry at, go home and then pull each other's hair. Just calm down.
We decided to make a pact. I'll just be like, I'm mad at you for doing so
Yeah,
and so.
and then you agree to it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's simple, guys. So don't. And also, we just have 7 days this time, and I really don't want to waste it. If you know what I mean.
Okay. Now, for the second day, this is a frock. It is like, it has these really long sleeves which are attached to the body and it should look really good with boots or anything like that. So, this is what we're going to be wearing. Into the luggage.
I'm not the luggage.
How wrong could I go?
Thank
Close.
God.
Next one is this top, along with which I could be wearing either this or this. It gives me Bali vibes though, but it works. Oh, and Japanese, like they have these curtains or like these, do you know these enclosures, these separations which they keep in the room as a dressing room? That's Chinese, right?
I don't know.
Next, this is a really pretty pastel frock. I have worn this for picnics mostly with my family. Here, this is what it looks like. She has worn this too. I can hold the mic for a while if you're tired.
No.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the one for the 4th day. Let's be excited and see something.
Yay!
Another top which I usually wear with this top is very common because I don't have good tops. So this is what I'll be wearing with this. See, it matches, right?
It's not that we don't have good tops, it's just that we know how to style them well.
Yeah, I get.
And I don't know how to pack much because all her clothes are mine.
Yeah. I was packing, planning, everything. And she
What
wears it
planning?
and looks
What
look at the
planning?
photos like,
What planning?
do you know plan when I take the relevant clothes
Okay, like
and
that.
accessories which matches with
As
it?
if I don't do that. Even I do that with my clothes. What? I put that in again. As if I don't do that with my clothes. You think I just randomly just take some clothes, throw some accessories and come?
Yeah, kind of.
Maybe, but not all the time.
Just next, we have this Hawaii kind of clothes. This one looks really good with some nice pants. This is what it is. And here we have something inside it, and this wear is on top of the overcoat. I love how lost she is over here. So yeah.